Hello friends, today I am going to tell you few of the formulas of our daily use. Let us say we want to draw the integer value. This could be done with the help of formula int integer and just give the value where from we have to draw. Press enter. It has drawn the integer portion leaving the decimal aside. How can we round off this value? Decimal portion round comma 2 up to 2 digits we have to round it off. It is rounded off to the 2 digits. And how can we round off the integer portion? Just round this value comma minus 1. Minus 1 will deal with the integer portion. So here it has rounded it off to the next level. And the round minus 1 instead of using minus 1 0, it will round off the integer portion. And if we want to round off into tens of the integer portion, last digit of the integer into tens, how can we do that with minus 1? This is the best formula we can ever found, wherein we have to round off into tens. Okay, then there is another formula which forces the value to go to the down level, and we are discussing about the integer portion only. Is equal to round down. Round down, if this is the formula, we use minus 1, it will force the formula to go to the 1010, whereas it should have been 1020. But round down is forcing the formula to go down in any condition. Likewise, round up, this formula forces the value to go to the next. Minus 1 will just deal with the integer portion, last digit of the integer portion, and that to 0. This is 1020, whereas it should have been 1010. Okay. Now same is the case with the floor. Floor forces the value to go to the floor, meaning down level. Comma significance is 10. We have to round it off into tens. Likewise, ceiling will force the formula to go to the upper value. The result should have been 1010, but the ceiling, because of the ceiling into tens, it will force the formula to go to the next higher level. Likewise, into the text, we can draw the values using the formula left. Let us say this is the PAN number of somebody, and we want to draw the 4 characters, left 4 value, and 4 are the characters. It can be drawn like this. Similarly, right will draw the characters from the right side. Let us say we want to draw the right 4. So these are the right 4, F543. Okay, there is the better formula which is known as mid. Mid seeks 3 arguments. First is the text we have to draw. Let us say we want to draw the 4th character. Now the argument it is asking for start number. Start number is 4th character we have to draw. How long after the 4 we have to go? We have to go 1 character, only the 4th one. This is H. Whereas if I would have drawn the 2 characters, it would have done starting from the 4th 2 characters. Okay, so this can be better understood if the value of this cell is equal to H, then the pan is of HUF category. If this 4th character, value of this 4th character is B, then it's individual, comma, if this 4th character individual, if this value is C, then it's company, and if at all the value of this cell is equal to F, then it's a partnership firm. Let us say, and if no value is found into this, then the answer should have been 0, and don't try to understand how many brackets you have to close, just leave it to the Excel, it will deal with. Enter yes. So this is H means HUF. Let us say if the case would have been fourth character would have been F and firm. Oh, sorry, we have to change into all the three cells. F means firm. So this is the answer. These are the few formulas which are of daily use, but mid is the very fine formula while dealing with the text, and round -1 is the superb, very frequently used. So let us say there is another way. Always we are going to prepare a balance sheet, but one should have the habit of making the master sheet before preparing the balance sheet. We have BS for balance sheet, PEL for profit and loss, DR data, CR creditor, UL unsecured loans, fixed assets and capital. But we should always use another sheet which is known as master, wherein we should write the name of the unit whose balance sheet we are going to prepare, its address and station and the constitution, and of course the date of the document. Just select this range, go to the formula, under the name manager, create from selection, just uncheck the top row. Whatever is written into the left column, it should be its name, meaning thereby name of this cell is unit name of this cell is unit address, name of this cell is unit station, and the constitution of this name of this cell is unit constitution, and this is of course the date of the document. Now we want to start the balance sheet, first sheet, and just by pressing the shift click the last sheet. These are the 7 sheets wherein we want the name of the unit, and just by clicking these 7 sheets you will find there is a group onto the workbook name. This is necessary. So in A1 we have to write is equal to unit name, enter, and in second column we have to write unit address, tab, and press ampersand, double quotes, space, double quotes, again ampersand, and unit station. We are just concatenating the two formulas, unit address and unit station. Okay, third, we have to write the name of the document, which is balance sheet or profit and loss or data. Leave it. In the fourth cell, we have to write the date of the document. It is showing its numerical value. Just go to the home tab and select the short date therefrom, and see the benefit of doing this. In all the sheets you have inserted the name of the document, and just write the in every sheet you have written the name of the firm, address of the firm, and the date of the document. And just by changing in the master sheet, let us say now we want to prepare the balance sheet of another concern, ABC and company. So all those sheets by will change automatically the name of the concern or the address or the date of the document. If you want to prepare the balance sheet for 31st March 20, all will change in one go, and there is less chances of error. So this is the one should have the habit of preparing master sheet always, preferably, and try to change the even its color also, and the rest workable sheets select again by pressing shift and right mouse tab color. You can change it to the green or any color you like. This is the master red, and all these sheets are showing the same color, means these are related to each other, and this is the master, and this is what we already have done. Thank you so much.